Today we're making blueberry jam. So we picked our blueberries, now we're going to be making blueberry jam. Ooh. That's gross. Okay, we're done. So I added about a half a lemon. Someone forgot to hit play. And now I'm gonna add some brown sugar. So trigger warning, if you don't like sugar, I'm using brown sugar. Probably about a cup or two. And I will let you know how much sugar I actually use by the end because I'm gonna taste it and see what I like. I don't prefer it super sweet, but I don't want it tart either. And we'll let it cook down. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. We're gonna let it cook down and get thicker, and we'll see what it looks like in a little bit. This has been cooking for about 30 minutes. It's mainly gone to like juices and stuff like that, so I'm just gonna blend the remaining blueberries and skins. And then we're gonna continue cooking it down until it thickens because I'm not gonna use any sugar gel or anything. So keep on cooking down. So I just blended it up a little bit with my immersion blender. There's still a little bit of chunk in there. So now we're just gonna let it cook down and thicken a little bit. Okay, so our blueberry jam probably cooked about 2.5 hours. I used probably about 2 to 2.5 cups of brown sugar, a sprinkle of salt, and half of a lemon, which is probably equal to a whole. We have very big lemons. And now I'm gonna jar it up and can it.
Thank y'all so much for coming along today in our video of making jam, and we hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you liked it and enjoyed the content, please don't forget to what, honey?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. So I forgot to hit play that whole time.